Let's do some back of the envelope math for a system design problem. So suppose we have a billion daily active users and they each write 5 posts a day. How much storage do we need? Well, this is not just a simple math problem because we don't have all the information necessary. We really just have to figure it out, and that's the point. So let's start with the posts. Well, how much is a post? What really is a post? If this is Twitter, then let's say one post is roughly 100 words. That seems fairly reasonable. Okay, well, what is a word? Well, a word is made out of letters. And so let's say that one word is roughly, 6 letters. That seems, again, pretty reasonable. Then that actually makes it very easy because then we can say that a post is actually going to be 6 times 100, which is 600 characters. And a character is roughly a byte. 1 byte, 2 byte, 4 bytes, doesn't really matter. 600 bytes is pretty reasonable for one post. So if we know a post is about 600 bytes, well then one user is writing 5 posts a day. That means they're writing 600 times 5, which is 3,000 bytes every single day. If we have a billion users, well, a billion is 10 to the 9. So if you multiply this thing by 10 to the 9, we have 3 zeros right here. That's actually going to give you 3 times 10 to the 12 bytes, again, every single day. Now with a simple conversion, 3 times 10 to the 12 bytes a day is actually simply just 3 terabytes every single day. Then let's look at it over a year. So we would have about 300 days. We'll just make it easy. That's going to give you a 900 terabytes every single year of storage. And we can definitely round that up to simply 1,000 terabytes a year, which by the way is going to be approximately 1 petabyte every single year. We know that we're going to need a lot of storage for this. Follow me for more.